Bodie! Bodie, come on! Come on, Bodie! Come on! Get it! Hey, sit. Sit. No. Ready? Ready? Get it.
That's hilarious. I know.
Bodie, this way now. Come on, let's go. No. Come on. Good boy.
I used to cook like tuna in a huge machine, right? Huge, I'm talking. And then
What's your golden retriever's name? Lucky?
No,
Oh, okay.
it's the one that you open like.
Is there a story behind that name?
I wanted to name him Timothy, but then my mom said no. My boss wanted me to name a dog Lucky, so her choice.
Wait, you're the boss?
Yeah, her old bosses are like, oh, Lucky's a good name, so when we got a new dog, she decided to name him.
Oh, I see. Okay.
You record for like fun?
Yeah, my dog has a YouTube channel.
Oh.
Yeah. It's Bodhi's World, BODHI''S.
And he had like a, I don't know what underneath, but being dragged by the forklift. But then he got wrapped around something. And it just split him in half. He was doing it for fun. I'm just telling you, man. Whoa. Oh, he's taking around. I was going to grab it and throw it for him, but she said no. No, she said, no, I want to play with you. Childish. Imagine if we did that with our guns. Let's start shooting. Let's shoot each other in the chest. Guns are different. Like, not the guy.
You know what? She's not going to let me get it so I can throw it to her, even though that's what she wants. Will she let you grab it or no? No?
She has to back up first.
Oh, okay.
Away. Away. What? Leave it. Leave it. Gotta leave it. Gotta leave it.
Oh, wait, was it a camera or
Stairs all day? This is that guy that's on the stairs.
I'm on the Stairmaster.
So you walk up, see
yesterday. I do the one where you're sitting down and you're doing the calf raising.
Yeah. So the timer is 45 minutes.
Hey, I heard you say you did your legs. You want to show off the calves or what?
Sure, why not?
Oh, yeah, that's pretty ripped. Wow.
Oh, man, getting a cramp.
You got a cramp now?
Yeah. It was about to rip from it.
You need to find somebody here to massage it out. I
saw YouTube and the guy's doing curls, right? And he rips his butt. I saw both of them at the same time. Because I think this is too much stress on you. Hey, stunt double. Hey, stunt double. Hey, stunt double. She's all looking at myself in the mirror. Oh. The battle of the heavyweights here. Oh.
Okay.
Ran a 73 pounds, Jeff.
Really?
Yeah, she's a poker.
Why do you have so much weight on her?
She's just, I don't know, she's eating like...
Is he like the heavyweight wrestling division now?
But she's gonna trim down. Summer's coming, spring is coming.
What are you feeding her to get her that big? So she's 73 pounds. Is she supposed to weigh like 60?
Yeah, what, 3 months ago she was 65. Oh, what happened?
I don't want to see your dog end up on my 600-pound life.
No, she'll trim down. Her mom was heavy. She's the firstborn. Yeah. She said, I'll take the firstborn. She's the heavyweight champion of Little Miniature Husky. No more. My girl's 70.
Wait, he's
No, she's 70. Chubby.
like 65.
Did you bulk her up just so she can wrestle with Leo?
The fluff is gone because she put in weight. She put on weight, no more fluffing. It's all good. Look how thick she is. Look how thick she's growing. Look at that. Even my wife said, man, she's so big.
Can you feel her ribs or no?
No. But
Oh,
my
wow.
wife says she's losing weight.
Yeah.
With the heat.
Oh, okay.
Because they all lose weight. They go put it up and they lose it.
Bodie, hey! Bodie, get it! Bodie. Oh, didn't even have to tell you to get up, huh? Okay, go ahead, sit. Sit. Okay, so that's going to draw today's video to a close. We had to start filming late because it was nearly 90 degrees out here earlier today. So hopefully everything got picked up okay on the camera. We want to thank everyone for watching. If you can, please give it a thumbs up. Also leave a comment or question down below. Let's see. We also want to thank everyone who watches the ads that helps support Bodhi, and everyone who has pressed the thanks button who has donated to Bodhi. We thank you for that also. And before we go, we want to say thank you to a few people who watched previous videos. The only thing is I forgot my notes, but I'll try to remember some names. Diane, Vision Ka, Rebecca Zimmerman, let's see here, Sarah Leet, let's see here, Diane Farber, let's see here, Cha and Juliana, who also has a channel, so check them out if you can. Let's see here. Yeah, that might have to be it because I'm drawing a little bit of a blank. But I just want everyone to know, oh, Lorna McKenzie, there's another one. I just want everyone to know that Bodhi and I, we really appreciate you watching so much. We read all your comments and we appreciate all the really nice comments and even the ones that are constructive criticism. We appreciate that so much. Bodhi and I, we're always a work in progress and we just appreciate you so much. So until next time, everyone take care. We hope to see you on the next episode of Bodhi's World.